Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Government of Canada, Canadian Air Traffic Security Authority, they have launched an app, Breeze Through Security. This is a really good app if you want to travel via air inside Canada or outside. I mean, for air traffic, this is really a very good app. This provides you the current wait time, and also it provides you good information about what to carry and what not to. So this is really good. So this is what it is based on my location now. I am at a friend's place and where we were discussing about it. So it is showing me that I am 9 kilometers away from this place, Toronto Pearson Airport. This is the nearest one. I can add some favorites over here based on my city. I can search, like let's say if I search there. So it picked up this. It is showing me the checkpoint and wait time. This is excellent. If I go to the other tab, what I can bring? Spray bottle check. You can see what you can carry, what you cannot carry. Baby food, baby formula food, access. This is also liquid, but there is no limit. They have said written. Baby formula also they have allowed, and other items like they have restrictions. This is a really good piece of information. And travel tips also they have given, and checklist. You can always create a checklist. So this is a really good piece of information. So I suggest you also download this app, and this is going to help you. Thanks for watching this, guys.